हेलो फ्रेंड, कैसे हो? आई होप कि सब मजे में होंगे। और आज मैं आया हूँ मेरे साइड पे, तो आपको दिखाऊंगा वीडियो और आप देख सकते हो। और ये वीडियो जो आपको पसंद आए तो लाइक करना, और जो हमारे चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाना।
They told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I